Hello, my name is Philip and welcome to today's quick grammar update. Today I will explain to you how to use the two words journey and trip. Journey is a noun. It refers to a single piece of travel, for example, one period of movement from one place to another by car, plane, train, etc. Some examples are: the journey to London takes 3 hours by bus. Before the car, journeys used to take much longer. It's been a long journey, but we're finally here. Trip is a noun. It usually refers to more than one journey and the time spent somewhere. If you travel for a day to a hotel, stay 3 days, and travel for 1 day home again, then your trip was 5 days. Some examples. How was your camping trip, Xian? It's been quite the trip, but I'm glad to be home. Next week, I'm going on a short trip to France. I'll be away for 6 days. Trip is also often used in several set phrases. For example, a business trip, a school trip, and a day trip. Some examples are: Mr. Johnson is away on a business trip in Germany. Can I take a message? Please get your permission slip signed if you want to come on the school trip to the zoo. Shall we take a day trip to the beach today? Remember, of course, as always, you can practice these and many other grammar tips with me, your Skype class tutor, Philip. Good luck with your English studies. Goodbye.